A new product from Limited Trades is the Limtrade Indicator, which can become an indispensable assistant for traders not only in binary options trading, but also in the Forex market. Limtrade helps make more informed trading decisions by using trading volume data to generate signals to buy, call, and put options, and it also visualizes the supply and demand ratio in the market. The price for such an exclusive tool is $110, and in this review, we will try to figure out whether it is worth the money or not. This indicator and our already configured trading template are installed in the MetaTrader 4 terminal in a standard way. Look for the download link in the description under the video. So, Limtrade effectively uses volume data and generates trading signals based on them, and according to the developers, you can expect up to 60 signals per day per currency pair. The indicator consists of 2 parts: global horizontal volume levels located to the right of the price chart and local levels located directly on the chart. The Limtrade indicator has few adjustable parameters, and all of them are intuitively understandable even for novice traders. We will not dwell on getting to know each variable of the indicator for a long time. This is described in detail in the review article on our website, but we will still focus on 2 parameters. In order for the visualization of signals to be clear and trading to be comfortable, it is necessary to set the signal color to green in the up color parameter of the indicator settings. This is a signal to buy a call option if the price has approached the level from top to bottom. And in the down color parameter, set the signal color to red to buy put options if the price has approached the level from bottom to top. Well, it's time to dive into the rules of trading using the Limtrade indicator. It generates signals by tracking the volumes of buy and sell orders, and when a large local volume level appears, it gives a signal, marking it with a dot on the chart depending on which side the price has approached it from. By default, all signals are marked with a yellow dot, and if you have changed the parameters, as mentioned above, it will be clearly visible which signal and how to react to it. Pay attention to this chart image, which clearly shows that after an unsuccessful attempt to break through the resistance level with a global horizontal volume of 270,000 contracts, the Limtrade indicator generated a sell signal marked with a red dot. Our observations of Limtrade show that to achieve better results, it is worth filtering its signals using various candlestick patterns. You will find detailed information on how to use candlestick combinations in binary options trading in the selection of articles on our website. Look for all the necessary links below in the description under the video. It is very important to remember that in order to increase the percentage of profitable transactions, you need to enter the market only when the local and global volume levels coincide. In this case, the indicator signals will be more reliable. And to buy a call option, we observe the following condition. First, we make sure that the global and local levels match. Second, the price approached the level from top to bottom. Third, a green dot appeared. Fourth, at the moment the price touches the level with a green dot, we open a call option. The put option is purchased when such a combination is on the chart. First, the global and local levels match. Second, the price approached the level from bottom to top. Third, a red dot appeared. Fourth, at the moment the price touches the level with a red dot, we open a put option. Our analysts and testers recommend choosing an expiration time of 1 candle, and the holding period of positions should be selected by analyzing the results of testing the chart data on history. And now, a little bit of the specifics of using the Limtrade indicator for binary options. When the price approaches a strong volume level, for example, a support line, Limtrade sends a warning, notifying the trader about a potential deal. And if the candle on which the warning occurred closed above the level, A new message is received with a signal to open a position, in this case to buy a call option. The buy signal. Global level strategy. In addition to the method shown above, you can use a strategy based exclusively on global volume levels. In this case, you can open deals based on two types of signals. The first option, on a rebound from the level without confirmation. In this mode, the trader does not wait for additional confirmation of the signal, but immediately opens positions as soon as the price touches the global volume level. The direction of the transaction depends on which side the price approaches the level from. If from top to bottom, we buy the call option. If from bottom to top, we buy the put option. The second option is on a rebound from the level with confirmation. Conservative traders are advised to wait for the beginning of the formation of the next candle after the signal one, indicating a rebound from the level. In this case, the chances of continuing the movement in the selected direction increase. Such an entry into the transaction can be considered more reliable. We recommend that in the review article on our website, you pay special attention to familiarizing yourself with the pros and cons of the Limtrade Indicator, as well as using the strategy testing panel in the MetaTrader 4 terminal to test its work on history. In this case, your binary options trading will be more efficient and safe. Conclusion. The Limtrade Binary Options Indicator helps traders make more informed trading decisions. It analyzes data on trading volumes, generating signals to open a call and put position, and also visualizes the ratio of supply and demand in the market in the form of local and global volume levels. Limtrade has several obvious advantages: clarity and automation of the formation of trading signals. However, it is important to note some of its limitations. The lack of history of changes in volume levels over time, which significantly reduces the ability to test its operation in the standard mode of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In general, we would like to make a final conclusion that Limtrade can be a useful tool for traders and is worth its $110. But it should be used in combination with other additional filters, indicators, and a cautious approach to capital management. It is important to remember that binary options trading carries certain risks, and no indicator can guarantee success. Therefore, we recommend that you first practice on a demo account with a reliable broker before you start using Limtrade in real trading. You can always find the top best brokers on our website at the link in the description. Thank you for your attention. Successful trading.